What's up guys, DJI has released its 249-gram drone with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The Mini 4 with price is starting at $759 United States dollars. The DJI drone are omnidirectional obstacle sensing and 04 video transmission technology. An upgrade in video transmission tech also makes the Mini 4 Pro compatible with the DJI's latest remote controller RC2 and RCN2, which were first released alongside the new Air 3. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone is featured a number of notable improvements over the previous model, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing, while the Mini 3 Pro had obstacle avoidance. It was only protected from the front, back and bottom. The Mini 4 Pro to have sensors on all sides, which would allow for more active tracking modes similar to those found on the DJI 3 and Mavic 3 Pro drones. The battery will have a capacity of 2590 mAh and will provide a flight time of up to 34 minutes. The drone is come with a 48 megapixel camera sensor in a 1:1.3 inches format with dual native ISO and a 0.6 micrometer pixel edge length. DJI will use pixel binning to collect more image data, achieve a higher dynamic range, and bring out details in highlights and shadows. It will be able to record in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. It also has a new 100 FPS mode with 4K resolution and HDR, which can be used to create slow motion recordings. The new drone will also offer 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles for more flexibility in post-processing. For data transmission, the drone will use the DJI C2 controller that supports 1080 pixels video at 60 fps being sent up to 20 kilometers away. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks.